Hello everyone. One of the most basic issues you face more often than you hope to is Android apps not launching. If it's the case with you, below are some quick methods to resolve it easily. Method 1. Update Windows Subsystem for Android. Head to the Microsoft Store either from the pinned apps grid on the Start menu or by simply typing the same in the menu. Now, from the Microsoft Store window, click on the Library option present at the bottom left section of the window. Then, on the library screen you will be able to see the list of all apps waiting to be updated. Now, locate the Windows Subsystem for Android from the list and click on the Update button present on the far right edge of the tile. Once updated, restart your PC from the Start menu and check if the issue has been resolved. Method 2. Restart Windows Subsystem for Android. Head to the Start menu and type Windows Subsystem. Then, click on the Windows Subsystem for Android tile from the search results. Then, from this window, locate the Turn Off Windows Subsystem for Android tile and click on the Turn Off button present at the far right edge. This will close any currently open Android apps on your system along with and restart it back again when you launch an Android app again. Method 3. Reinstall Windows Subsystem for Android on your PC. If none of the above solutions work for you, the last resort is to uninstall and then reinstall this app on your computer. Type Terminal in the menu, right-click on a Windows terminal and select Run as Administrator. Type the following command and hit Enter on your keyboard. Once the progress is completed and the app is uninstalled. After that, reinstall Windows Subsystem for Android on your PC. Follow the following steps.